Who got the power?
Welcome to the 8th tutorial on Theme D. We will be looking at what voluntary organizations are, charity and public support, as well as protests against the HS2. A charity is an organization set up to provide help and raise money for those in need. Public institutions are organizations provided by the government, like schools and hospitals. Public services are services provided by the state, like policing and education. Voluntary organizations are bodies whose activities are carried out for reasons other than profit, but which do not include any public or local authority funding. Voluntary organizations are usually run by people with a mission to change something. There is a close link between voluntary organizations and pressure groups. They both want to bring about change. They both work hard to persuade the government to make changes to accept their proposals. They also want to get the public on side to encourage the government to listen. If more people support the cause, the more likely the government may be to listen. Stop HS2 is a campaign that is against the proposed high-speed railway. Their mission is to get the government to stop in their plans to build it and help local and national campaigning against HS2. Charities support those in need, which can help local causes, like providing shelter for homeless people in the community, or raising money to provide clean water for countries that don't have access to it. The government also offers support for the public. It provides public institutions, like schools, hospitals and other places that are run for the public to use. It also provides a range of public services to help people in their everyday lives. Elections give the public the chance to have our say on what we want. We can vote for the parties that want to spend more money on the services that are important to us. How many different public services can you name? Public services include education, emergency services, healthcare, court services, radio and television, libraries, public housing, social services and refuse collection. In the exam you might be asked what voluntary organizations do and how the government helps.